What's going on, everyone? Today is April the 24th, 2022. We are going to talk about Loopring today and give you all some information about maybe it might still be the time to sell Loopring. Welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions, so you guys don't have to fret. You guys don't have to worry. There's actually someone here on these YouTube streets dropping price prediction without the confusion. I'm that guy. So welcome. If today's your first time seeing my videos, my content, go ahead and hop on board. You guys can see that my numbers, my subscribership is growing. You guys need to be a part of the team because I'm here to show you that you can also predict prices without being confused. Yes, you can do it yourself. You don't have to be looking at all these YouTube videos out here just to figure out where price is going to go. So hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Tap the bell notification as well because you do not want to miss out on my videos, my content, because as you all can see, as I zoom out of this price chart for Loopring, the market is dynamic. Yeah, it's not stagnant. It's not stationary. You need to make sure you stay abreast as to what's going on any given trading day because the market is going to change. We're going to talk about it today because if Loopring is still a sell, then I don't need to get rid of my last price prediction. You guys can see it right here. It's in front of you. Look at that. I was telling you all right here on April the 10th that I was looking for Loopring to continue to decrease in value. Now you guys can see from out the gate, yeah, price did go down. It happened relatively quick. And one thing I also wanted to show you was that the buyers actually came to the market in Loopring around 85. So did the price come all the way down to my ultimate TP price, which is around 80 cents? No, it didn't. The low, which came in on April the 18th, was around 82.5 cents. So I was about 2 cents away from actually seeing the ultimate TP price be taken out. But I would be cool with even taking the profitability on these days, April the 11th, the 12th, even here on the 17th and the 18th of April. Like that was an opportunity for us to come in and bag 13.65%. Like one thing I do is I don't try to pinpoint to the exact penny where the market's going to go because that's impossible. I give you a vicinity, an area as to where price is headed. So now 2 cents away from the ultimate TP price, it's about in that vicinity. Okay. Now, even if you didn't do it, then you still had ample amount of opportunity to grab some profitability into the market in Loopring. Right now, even if you were to get out the market now in Loopring, you're still up 7.5%, which is a great call. Pretty good, right? So now let's go ahead and let's try to talk, because if the market in Loopring is still a sell, we can presume that price is still going to fall, right? Now I want you all to see this because I got this restriction. I got a lid already drawn on the chart that would tell us whether or not the buyers are controlling the market or the sellers, right? And you guys can see that even over the last couple of days since my video, price hasn't even broken above $1. It kind of gives you a hint as to how weak the market in Loopring really is. If the market in Loopring could not even trade above $1, then definitely we don't have too much to worry about to see price hitting $1.20 right now. The opportunity for us to take note of the buyers breaking up higher was right here, April the 20th. This was the opportunity for us to see a positive sign of us looking at Loopring's price go up, and it didn't happen. Since that day, April the 20th, price in Loopring has been trending lower. Now, you can tell that the price wasn't dramatic, like the breakdown in price in Loopring wasn't severe. The market actually consolidated a couple of those days. So it lets us know that the buyers are trying their hardest to break price above $1, but they're not winning. They're not able to do it right now. So yeah, so far, the price prediction that we got on the chart in Loopring is still on point. It's still looking good because of what occurred on these days. One thing I want everyone to realize is that the charts don't lie. When you see something like this happen into the market right here to where the market could not successfully break above $1, it means something. It means that the sellers are winning. And you have to take notes, because the reason why I say $1 is because this area right around here was utilized as support and restriction, right? You guys can see right here, it was acting as restriction. And then towards the ending of March, it was acting as support. if you bring it all the way back here to January time frame, this is where the market stopped momentarily from falling. So this dollar area is impactful for those looking to buy and sell. So let's look at this on a weekly time frame, because I think you guys can tell where the buyers needs to hold price in Loopring. Because if we don't hold price here, then scary times are ahead, right? Scary times are ahead into the market in Loopring, to where we can still see price come all the way back down to 64 cents again. Be prepared for that, because I'm switching over these time frames and we're not getting a lot of indication of market strength. 3 weeks, right? 5 weeks. So now the positive thing that I want you all to take note and see for yourself is that the market in Loopring did not break this long-term trend yet, though. That's still positive for the long-term purview of those looking to hold Loopring for an extremely long period of time. The price hasn't broken the trend. So when I switch it back over to the 3-day time frame, you guys can visually tell that, yeah, that's still the case. So all is not lost for those looking for Loopring's price to go up. Ultimately, we don't want to see price break this level to the downside. We do not want to see that, because once that happens, then you might well cut the play and just say, look, we're in a bearish market, especially when we see price and Loopring break this trend. All right, so right now, from that perspective, it still looks good. But in the current environment, the price in Loopring is still weak. So it looks as if the market is going to try to test that trend again. Are you ready for it? Which is why I'm still looking for the price in Loopring to come down towards 80 cents. If not 80 cents, that's my first price target, 80 cents. My next level is going to be towards this ascending line. Okay, so I'm going to extend that down just a bit lower. And that will give us what, 27.8% profitability into the market in Loopring right there. So now, let me extend these lines out a little bit further, because it's going to take the market a little while long for us to really see that occur. And that's it, I'm done. So keep your eyes open on 80 cents, right? Second level, I would say around like 72, 73 cents. Okay. Now anything below that level, 70 cents, 73 cents, and we break price below that, then be aware that that trend that started all the way back in July of last year is broken. And it means something. And I want you all to know that. All right. So I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead. The comment section is open on this video. Drop me a comment real quick and tell me where do you all foresee Loopring going as we approach the month of May going into June. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.